Saint Meletius of Antioch lived in the 4th century, during a time of deep theological divisions within the Church. He was born around the beginning of the 4th century, likely in Armenia. His era was marked by debates about the nature of Christ and tensions surrounding Arianism, a doctrine that denied the full divinity of Jesus. Meletius became bishop of Sebaste and later bishop of Antioch, one of the greatest cities of the Roman Empire. Antioch was a strategic center for the early Church. But this position exposed Meletius to intense conflicts. At that time, the Roman Empire was ruled successively by emperors favorable or hostile to the faith defined at the Council of Nicaea. Political changes directly affected the lives of bishops. Meletius, known for his moderation and fidelity to Orthodox faith, found himself at the heart of these tensions. Shortly after becoming bishop of Antioch, he was exiled. His commitment to the truth of Christ's divinity disturbed the Arian supporters backed by imperial power. Exile became for him a path of purification and fidelity. Despite divisions, Meletius constantly sought unity. He avoided extremes, striving to maintain communion among Christians. His patience and gentleness earned him respect even amid controversy. He was exiled several times and later recalled as political powers shifted. His life became a testimony of inner stability amid external instability. He died around the year 381 while participating in the Council of Constantinople, which reaffirmed the faith of Nicaea. Saint Meletius reminds us that truth is not imposed through violence but defended through constancy, humility, and patience. His witness remains relevant in a world marked by confusion and division.